Good morning. This is Rick from Ecologic outside of Alymer. We moved here in 2000, so we've been doing this for 15 years. As a cash flow measure, we started growing fresh market produce. It took over, and we couldn't do both things at once, so we had to do one or the other, and of course we chose to do fresh market produce. We're in a greenhouse here, and believe it or not, this used to be an old tobacco greenhouse. It's still very good shape. To build one of these greenhouses now would probably be about $150,000. So the greenhouse gives you about 5 degrees buffer. I bet you right now in this greenhouse it's probably 40 degrees Celsius, 45. In the wintertime, as long as the sun's out, it's toasty warm in here. So. I just like being outside all the time, and there's always something to do. There's always some challenges. I don't mind the hard work, and I'm glad to be able to supply people with good food, and most people are very appreciative about that. It's mid-September now. You can still plant, if you want, you could plant lettuce in the field. Hopefully tomorrow I'm going to plant some spinach, radishes for sure, pak choi, bok choy, all your oriental greens you can plant in the field.